Yeah, look how big he is.
How big do you think he is?
Maybe 3-4 feet.
Wow.
He was like this big when we pulled him out.
Wow. That's insane.
Oh! Yup, kiss right in the lips. Anything for the video. That one really wants to be.
Oh, snappers.
Oh.
2 snappers.
Wow! 3 snappers. Oh, 3. Oh!
Yeah. Oh, Roberto.
We're here at a natural pond. We just scene netted like over 100 fish out. We were trying to reduce the population to get the numbers down to make it a more healthy ecosystem. So for the process, it's pretty much we take the seine net, we take it to the far end of the pond and we drag it across. We had 2 people on each side stirring it up to get the fish moving towards the center, and we slowly drug it out, brought it to the end, and we slowly lifted the bottom to almost put the fish in a hammock and scoop them out and put them in these tanks.
Yeah, look how big he is.
How big do you think he is?
Maybe 3-4 feet.
Wow.
He was like this big when we pulled him out.
Wow. That's insane.
And then there's another koi that's almost the same size. We even have a baby turtle in here. We just picked this big snapping turtle up. He was in the net. Apparently there's 2. So, they have to go out and take their net and try to be as even as possible, and then to get it closed off before they get to here, so that we can scoop all the fish out. But there's supposed to be quite a few that size.
That's insane.
So, this is the cutest little turtle. I'm gonna try to catch him.
Oh my god.
What are you doing? Oh my gosh. You're so cute. Oh, there is another one. Okay, I'll let you go. You're so cute. You're cute. I'll get in there when the other snapping turtle's gone. Okay?
I didn't bring my bathing suit, so. Or a waterproof camera.
Oh, snappers.
Oh.
2 snappers.
Wow! Wow!
Why don't we scoop this
3
one out?
snappers. Oh, 3.
Get in there.
Oh!
The 3 total we've caught. Let's watch your feet.
Like to take the left feet.
Come on, buddy.
Oh, don't let him go back to the water.
Hold on. I got him.
Oh, he's pissed.
Just put him in the wetlands if you can.
Take
Roberto,
him
the
out
man.
Oh, show him for the camera.
Yeah. Oh, Roberto.
There we go.
Yeah, scoop him in the net. Get this out. Get it back in the water so we can get this out.
Yeah.
I feel something. He loses their finger. That's a great title.
Yeah.
Oh, we caught 4 massive common snapping turtles, at least 50 years old. And then we caught also 5 or so painted turtles and 1 little baby snapper about this big.
Oh, rabbit! Stop.
Please don't be a turtle. That was really heavy. Is the bottom not down anymore?
Oh, it's a brick. That's what the hell. Nice. That's what I thought.
That's great. Something touched your butt. Yeah. It was another snapper.
Oh, that one was a fish.
I don't know. I feel something heavy.
Plank. Yep.
Plank.
How old did you guys say that big white one was?
28 years?
28.
28. Wow.
The big one?
Yeah.
28 years
Wow.
old.
25, 28.
Not me. Yeah.
Oh! Yup. Kiss him right in the lips. Anything for the video. That one really won't
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.
Actually, that was pretty good. I'm not gonna lie.